Hey guys, this is a Gulf Coast Showboat ceiling fan from July of 1987. For those of you who don't know, Gulf Coast Fans is the house brand of Dan's Fan City. Gulf Coast started out as their own brand sometime in the late 70s, early 80s. They got bought out by Dan's Fan City, and they have been their house brand ever since. And they still are to this day. This fan is not made by Sinlix. I have suspicion that it's made by Halsey or some similar factory. A lot of the mid-80s Gulf Coast were made by Halsey. I mean, not Halsey, Sinlix. I think in 1988, they switched to mostly Halsey. That's when you started seeing the detachable switch caps. But, I'm not sure about this one. Still got the, switch cap with the two screws at the bottom, like the old Sinlixes. And, the cane blades actually stayed until the early 90s, I believe. Even with the Halsey changeover. So yeah, enough rambling. Let's start the fan up on low. And sorry about the shakiness. I can't seem to find my camera battery charger for my regular camera, so I'm using my cell phone camera. Samsung Galaxy S5. It's got a rather nice low speed. Now medium. And this was obviously Gulf Coast's most basic model at the time. But it's still got a pretty big motor. It's probably a 188 by 15. And it runs really well. It's nice and quiet. No bearing noise. And no hum. And it's well balanced. I think it's just a classy looking spinner fan. Top mount spinner. And now high. And it moves quite a bit of air on high. I'd say it goes about 190-ish on high. Nice high speed. Maybe 200. Go and take a look at it. It's a canopy, signature Gulf Coast canopy, or Sinlix or whoever. See inside the motor, sort of there. Maybe not. Around the air. I'll shut it off. That's all, folks. Enjoy.